Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code E102, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to head over to your Xbox. You want to click on the Xbox logo. You want to head over to Profile and System, and what you're going to do is you're basically going to just sign out of your account, and once you do that, sign back in and check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can try doing is heading over to Settings, going to Accounts, going to Remove Accounts, and again add your account back in and check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can try doing is heading over to General. From General, go to Network Settings, and then from Network Settings you're going to scroll down until you see Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings you're going to click on Primary and Secondary DNS, and you're basically going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once you do that, go ahead and just test your internet connection or make sure everything's working fine, and you should be all good to go. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.